this. Bro.
It's unreal.
Bro, this might wedge.
You want to go south?
Last second we will. Is that hail?
Yeah. Sounded like it.
Oh my, this is gonna be a wedge, brother.
Is it?
Yeah.
Can we...
Dog, this is gonna be a wedge. Look at it.
I'd be comfortable getting south.
We're gonna get south as soon as we can. As soon as we, like last second, as soon as we have to. Bro. You getting this in my camera too?
Yep. I'm getting
all
all
gosh,
of it.
it's about to come down right there. It's about to come down right there. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh.
Where?
Look at the speed of the motion.
You want to back up?
We're gonna go south in a second. Look at this.
Hey, I'm worried about your memory card's full on camera. I'm recording on my phone.
No, it's full.
Swapping my phone. It's all right. I got my phone.
Look at the speed. Look at the speed. It's rotating.
Hail.
Yep.
This is unbelievable.
It's unbelievable. I've never seen anything like this in my entire life.
I've never been more terrified and amazed in my life, dude. This is unreal.
Oh, there it is. There's a tornado right there.
Oh, yep, there it is.
Yeah, tornado, tornado, tornado. Okay, okay, here we go. We're doing the thing. Listen to it.
Oh my God, we're gonna get an incredible view here, Max. Hail. Behind us.
Beautiful.